As America's presidential race to power heats up, former U.S. President and Republican frontrunner Donald Trump has been faced with another setback. Trump has been fined $355 million over fraud allegations and has been banned from running business in New York-based corporations for 3 years. Now, in the ruling issued by the New York court, Justice Arthur Encoron held that Donald Trump and other defendants in the case are incapable of admitting the error of their ways. Now, while former President Trump has called the court judge crooked and said that he will be appealing the decision, Trump termed the ruling a witch hunt in order to prevent him to assume the president's office again.
But a crooked New York State judge just ruled that I have to pay a fine of $355 million for having built a perfect company. Great cash, great buildings, great everything. It affects New York. It's mostly talking about New York, where we have a totally corrupt attorney general. She campaigned on the fact that I will get Trump, I will get Trump. Everybody's seen it. Letitia James, they've all seen it. Well, we'll be appealing, but more important than that, this is Russia, this is China, this is the same game. It all comes out of the DOJ, it all comes out of Biden. It's a witch hunt against his political opponent, the likes of which our country has never seen before.
One of Trump's lawyers, Alina Hubbard, took to social media platform X and posted that the verdict is a manifest injustice, plain and simple. She also further called the verdict a politically fueled witch hunt designed to take down Donald Trump. Now, notably, Donald Trump has also been barred from serving as an officer or director of any New York-based corporation for 3 years or from getting a loan from banks registered in the state. The executive vice presidents of Trump Organization, Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, each were ordered to pay $4 million as penalties. And for more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani explains what are the legal avenues left for Trump's legal team at this point. Listen in.
The former president will appeal the financial penalty, but will either have to come up with the money or secure a bond within 30 days. The ruling will not render him bankrupt, as most of the former president's assets are in the form of real estate, and altogether they amount to a lot more than this penalty. He will also ask the appeals court to halt the restrictions on him and his sons from running the company and doing business in New York until that court considers the case. But there might be little the Trump team can do to prevent a 3-year appointment of an independent monitor who's basically the court's eyes and ears in the organization. And while there have been no victims in this case and the banks did make money, it seems that the judge ultimately sided with Attorney General Letitia James.